a slow turn toward the bridge. Keep turning. Keep that bridge inside. Yeah, good. Alright. Keep right underneath it. Somewhere around the middle is faster.
If I got underneath it, the barrel roll didn't turn out so well.
It's alright. See if we can get it.
Down there.
Gotta keep coming down. Alright, start leveling the wings. There you go. Looks good. There you go.
Wow, you're doing pretty good.
Nice.
Very nice, Dan.
Now, slowly pull up. Start pulling up. Keep going. Keep pulling up. Up, 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 up. Keep pulling. I'm going to help you a little bit on this one. You want to go left or right? Right. Right. All right. Pull right foot. Right foot too. All the way. Keep going. Don't stop. Oh, don't stop. Oh, okay.
Hey, there's Alcatraz. Woohoo! Way to go, Dad.
All right. You see that runway ahead of you to the right? No? It's Oakland. Let's try to land there.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you don't want to stop halfway through the barrel.
Yeah, no. Well, I didn't know we were going to do that for sure. Yeah, you might just slide down, wouldn't you?
I'm going to start slow.